Today we are comparing TCL QD Mini LED against Sony Bravia, and the winner might surprise you. So let's get started. So the TCL's QD Mini LED TVs here, they are all about aggressive innovation like ultra high brightness, thousands of dimming zones, gaming features and everything. Whereas the Sony Bravia here focuses on premium picture processing, cinematic like accuracy, natural colors, and the refined high-end viewing experience Sony is known for. So, the good things about these two brands is that TV technologies is that the TCL, the TCL's has insanely bright display and excellent contrast thanks to the mini LED dimming zones, and gaming features are stacked, usually much cheaper than the Sony for similar specs. Whereas the Sony Bravia here, they are like industry leading image processing ones, and they are more natural and cinematic picture quality, and they have superior motion handling as well. But on the downside, these Sony Bravia is way more expensive, and the brightness on some models may not match TCL's one. And whereas TCL here also have some backflows here, which is like picture processing still isn't as refined as Sony, and the blooming can appear in difficult scenes, and software experience can feel a bit less polished. So I would say if you're a gamer, or like you want maximum brightness and you care about the value for money, then TCL QD Mini LED is probably the smarter buy for you. But if you are a movie lover and you care about cinematic accuracy and want more polished viewing experience, then Sony Bravia might be the better one for you. So the real winner depends up to you. Like the TCL wins on like specs and value, whereas Sony wins on refinement and experience.